Hey guys, Blaine here with Wilkins Welding and Forge. So today we're going to work on a couple little scribes. A couple family members of mine had some pretty interested in a couple of the ones I made, so I figured it's getting close to Christmas. Oh, by the way, happy Thanksgiving everyone. So figured we'd make a couple of them little Christmas gifts for a couple family members. So let's get the forge fired up. Alright. Wear your safety glasses. Alright, so what we're going to be using today is this 8mm round bar, but it's got a little hole just on these corners, so we're going to go ahead and cut that off. That way we don't get no cold shuts. Perfect. Alright, we're going to finish squaring this up. Twist in it. This one's actually long enough, we can probably get 2 out of it. Yeah, about 6 inches right there. Alright, back in the fire we go. So now we got our twist in it, got it squared up, so this is kind of what we're going for. We got our little twist here, got it squared up, and now we're going to get our point put on it, and then we'll cut it in half and bevel the ends, and we'll have one done. size. And use my cutter. Don't judge me, this is the only one I got. So. About there. Scribe for my camera woman, my daughter Brooklyn. Alright, so we're nice and cooled down now. We've got it cut off, so we'll take it over to the grinder. Alright, so we're just gonna clean some forge scale off of it.
Turn it off.
Alright, well, I forgot to straighten it up. It's got a little bend in it, but we'll straighten it back up in the forge. Alright, so we're gonna throw her back in the forge one more time, get it up to heat, straighten it out, and then we're gonna finish it with a brass brushing, give it a little bit of gold brushing here. Let's get a little bit of this mill scale cleaned off first. Or forge scale, mill scale. Try and get it. There we go. Then we're going to use our bronze brush, brass brush. We'll give it a little brushing here.